Hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot. This is a general reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime, honey. The third thing, this is a reading from 22nd till the 30th of November. Okay, you can say the end of November. So let's start. Your partner's current feelings for you right now are, let's see, Aries. Your partner's current feelings for you are. So let's see. Okay, cool. Got it. Nine of Cups. Okay. This is certain kind of wish fulfillment. Okay. Right now this person is feeling good that you are in their life. You are their wish fulfillment. They feel like whenever they are around you, they feel really good. And whenever you are with them, they feel special. They feel special. They feel special connection with you. They feel special connection with the universe. It's kind of wish fulfillment kind of energy that they feel for you, okay? That you are the wish fulfillment. Let me clarify the Nine of Cups as their feelings for you. The Devil could be dealing with the Capricorn, Knight of Swords, and the Four of Wands. This person is obsessed with you. Your person is feeling obsessed with you. They want to rush in towards you. They want to come back towards you. And they want to marry you. They feel like they should marry you. This is what they are feeling for you right now, okay? This person is like obsessed with you. And for some of you, I feel like this person is ready to leave the third party for you, and they are ready to commit to you, and they are ready to live with you because they feel like the third party is not serving them well. Now you are the one who makes them really happy. So yeah, this person is feeling kind of, this person is thinking about a commitment, thinking about a long term with you, and they feel like you are the one who really make them happy, Aries. This is like this person is coming out of a toxic relationship, might be, or toxicity or negative situation in their life right now, and they feel like you are the one who make them really happy. Your company makes them happy. Good. Let's see what you feel for them, Aries. Your feelings for your partner right now. Let's see. King of Pentacles. You are feeling very practical and earthy energy with them, and you feel like this is the one person whom I can spend my whole life with because this person is quite understanding, quite mature, quite practical, and you are feeling stable with them. This is kind of stable energy that you are getting with them. You could be dealing with an air, with a Taurus or Virgo or Capricorn. It's kind of earth elements, earthy energy here. It is fixed sign. Fixed earth sign. So it's like, yeah, you feel like this person is mature, practical, kind of stable in their energy, and you feel really, you feel like, yeah, there is a potential of long term in this connection. This is what you feel for them. My God. Give me a second, please. Okay. So let's clarify the King of Pentacles as their feelings for, as your feelings for them, okay? Lovers, highly attracted, the Sun, and the Page of Wands. Yay! I feel like somebody new is coming to your life, or somebody new is entering your life. This is three of this is the Lovers card. You could be dealing with a Gemini. You could be dealing with a Leo. This is somebody with whom you are highly attracted. You are highly attracted to this person. This person really makes you happy, and I feel like you love exploring new things with them. You love exploring. You love traveling with them. You love exploring difficult situations with them. It's like, yeah, you feel like, yeah, this person can be a long-term partner, and you are very highly attracted towards them. They really make you happy, Aries. You feel this person is a long-term catch. So for some of you, I feel like you got a new person in your life, and you're highly attracted towards them. You feel like they're kid-like energy, and they're like very pure and very beautiful, and you want to open up with them and explore things with them, and you're seeing the long term with them. This is kind of energy that I'm picking here for this as your feelings for them. If it is not somebody new, you are still attracted to the past person, and you still feel like there's a potential, and still you want to open up and communicate with them, okay? Let's see what this person wants from you. Let's see. Aries. Sun. This person wants happiness. See, the Sun is here also in your current feelings. This is what they want with you, the happiest card in deck. They want to explore the world with you, they want to be happy with you, they want to just go with the flow with you, because they feel highly energetic with you, they feel highly in love with you, and they feel like, wow, I'm a new person. So what they want from you is happiness. This is what they want from you. They want you to be their happiness, they want you to be happy with them. Okay, let me clarify. This is beautiful energy. This is beautiful energy. For some of you, this is a totally new person who's giving you happiness, who's making you happy. This person is like, they are making you happy. It's kind of beautiful, happy kind of energy. Although I don't see love here, but yes, I can see happiness here. I can see exploring things together here. Kind of good energy. Like, let's see the sun, 10 of Pentacles, the 3 of Pentacles, the 3 of, okay, when there are lots of threes in an equation or in a reading, it becomes a third party situation. But intuitively in this reading, I'm not getting any third party situation here. What this person wants from you is happiness. This person wants long-term stability with you. This person wants to work on this connection with you. This person wants to celebrate with you. This is what they want from you. They just want to celebrate with you. They want to have a long-term connection with you. They want to work on this connection with you. They want to put in the effort and put in the energy with you in this connection, and they want happiness. They want to celebrate life with you. This is what they want from you. Kind of, beautiful happiness energy. Wow, wow. Nice, Aries. After so long, I think you are finally getting somebody new in your life, and finally you are getting very happy with them. Nice. Okay, let's see what you want from them, Aries. The roles can be reversed anytime, okay? I told you. So take it how it resonates with you. Let's see what you want from them. 6 of Wands, yeah. You feel like this person is kind of mini celebrity, or he or she is a celebrity in your eyes, and what you want from them is like you want to be like them. It's like you want to be like them in your life, and you are like, yeah, I want to be in the spotlight like they are. I want to celebrate, I want to understand, I want to know this person more, and I want to love, I want them to love my energy. I want to explore my energy with them. It's like kind of spotlight. You want the spotlight with them. You want to grow with them. Not kind of commitment or love part. It's just you want to celebrate the journey with them right now. This is what I'm getting here. So let's clarify the 6 of Wands, the Emperor in reverse, the 8 of Swords, and the Death card. Okay, so you have taken a decision that you are, okay, I feel like this person, whomsoever you are dealing with, Aries, this person is coming out of a difficult situation or a breakup or an ending, and you just want them to come out of this situation and celebrate life. Okay, this is what you want from them. You want them to end the situation, you want them to end the mental conflict, and you want them to take a decision, because right now this person is not decisive, or you can say this person is highly indecisive right now, and they're not able to understand their own potential. But you can see that this person is kind of a mini celebrity. This person has the potential to become something in life, to do something good in their life, and that's why you're just feeling like, yeah, you want this person to end the painful cycle in their life, to end the painful situation, whatever they are going through. You want this person to make a decision and come out of this conflicting state of mind, come out of this conflicting stage of their life, and then restart and then enjoy life. This is what you want from them. You want them, so Aries, it's like a beautiful energy. You want them to grow. You want them to become something in their life, because you see the potential in them, you see the fire in them, and it's like highly passionate energy. Yeah, not of sexual kind of passionate, it's kind of passionate energy. It's like, yeah, you see the passion in them and you want to become like them. This is the situation here, Aries. Okay, so let's see what is coming towards you till the end of November, Aries. Let's see. Judgment. You're going to judge the situation, they're going to judge the situation. It's like you both are right now in this judgment process. I have to clarify the situation. For some of you, it is kind of past person having a reconciliation with the past person. I have to certainly clarify this. But I feel like both of you right now are leaving the past or releasing the past, and right now you guys are in this healing journey, and you guys are releasing something from your body, mind and soul. It's like you guys are on the same level, on the same path, on the same journey, and you guys are just releasing something. Let me clarify. the Fool, the Eight of Pentacles, and the Five of Wands. You guys are taking a leap of faith with the universe, okay? And you are working out on your inner conflicts. Both of you right now are working on your inner conflicts. Both of you right now are going through a certain period of your time where both of you are going through some kind of mess in your life, and both of you are trying your best to come out of that situation, okay? Come out of this messy situation and restart life again, and work on your personal issues, personal conflicts, personal fights, whatever it is, and just go with the flow. This is what you guys are going to do. Especially you, Aries, especially you. You are just trying to release the past, move on with the faith, move on with the leap of faith with the universe, and work on your insecurities, okay? So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.